Hi friends, hope everybody well. So in this video we are going to convert Figma template to HTML CSS code. We will be not use any kind of JavaScript code in this tutorial. We are just going to use HTML CSS code. Yeah, that's it. Okay, if you look at the Figma template, the landing page, there is header and surveys, also about and testimonial, also contact us section. That is the theme of the Figma landing page. Okay, now I'm going to convert step by step, like section by section I will going to convert. First of all, I'm just going to converting the Figma template header area in the HTML CSS code. Okay, I hope you already know the how to use Figma and how to export the CSS, how to export template design, like picture or other things, how to export you already know. And one more thing I am just going to tell you, if you are already advanced know HTML CSS, you don't need to watch this tutorial. This tutorial for beginner who are just want to know how to HTML CSS code used for converting design, any kind of design. And I will be tell you why I am using the HTML CSS 11, also why we need to use this HTML CSS 11, why not other things, and I'll be through why, how to use that, and how to what is the meaning of the HTML CSS 11. And this is kind of HTML CSS basic things you want to know. This kind of thing I want to explain you to with design, and I think this is the real example how to use that. That is the thing. Okay, that is the thing. And now first of all, what we need to export from the design file to images. And now we need to code editor, and this tutorial I am just using this code editor, and I already make a file, and there is all the landing page image I already save here or export here. And now we need a another file that is called HTML files. That's what we need to create. I'm just now creating HTML file, that is I'm just naming index.html. that is the extension you need to create or write this the file for HTML file creating. And we already create the HTML file. Congratulations, you are already created HTML file. That is the thing HTML. And now one more thing, I am not tell you what is the HTML or what is the CSS. If you want to know, you just Google Google or search the YouTube, or I hope you already know basic. You just want to know how to use that. That is the thing. And I will be tell you a little bit of explain what is the element like HTML tag and CSS element or properties, how to use. That is the thing I will be tell you in this video, in this tutorial. Okay, and this tutorial will be a breakthrough, like tutorial phase 1 to 3, this kind of tutorial will be bring up, I hope, and that will be useful for you to know better way. Okay, that is my perspective. Okay, that's not thing. Okay, let's go to first. We need to create a HTML header and body text, and also HTML text. And that's what I'm just going to create HTML template, and that is for I'm just typing HTML5. Yeah, there is already showing the VS Code embed abbreviation. Okay, you don't need to like first of all type all the things. I'm just going through what is the things, and that is the doc type HTML. This is the first thing you need to type here. Okay, and second thing, you need to type HTML start and also end tag. Okay, you have to remind it, every HTML tag have, like, not every, almost every HTML tag have a closing tag. Okay, you have to know that. And some of the tag they don't use to closing, and they just they just use closing tag, nothing first, no need to first tag. Okay, you will be know in the next in future. Okay, no problem. I'm just going to first we need to HTML first tag and also closing tag we already defined, and we need to divide with head and body. All the code will be using in the body section, not use head section. Head is the, like, if you see the browser, okay, there is, if you see, there is showing the, if you look at the top corner, left top corner, there is showing the document, and also there is a URL, that is the our URL, and the page is blank already. Why is blank? Because we didn't type or write any kind of code in the body section. That is the thing. Okay, why not showing the meta, like head tag, head section code will be not showing the this browser body section, because it will be show the head section like document. Also it will be show the, like, if you search control U, that is the all the code through here showing it. That is the thing. This is the just purpose of the HTML tag, that will be used for extra benefit of the HTML code for use. It will be like fast. Okay, I'm just explaining. This is the fast tag meta character set UTF-8. That is the thing of the text will be go through the UTF-8 code standard. That is the meta tag. And also second meta tag is name viewport, also content with device with, that is the main thing of the responsive for purpose we need to use, and that is the main thing, title. If you look at the, there is a document where is to show, there is a showing, there is a document we write, there is the showing that document, right? I hope you understand this. Okay, and also we'll be write in future like CSS file adding in the head section. Also you can add JavaScript file in the head section, also body section in the last area. Okay, here is you can type or edit the JavaScript file or also head section. There is no problem. Okay, we just want to change our title. I'm just typing Mr. Code. Okay, we change, we write, and there is change the title. And I hope you already know the what is the tag for use. One more thing I didn't mention or discuss, that is the language. I hope you know already. You know, in the HTML tag, first tag, you need to type language English. There is EN, that means shorter version of English language will be used, or showing there is the English. Okay, that is the thing. You can change like other language if you want. Okay, I'm just keep the English language. Okay, now we are going to write in the body section to start our header area. Also all the landing page designs code will be used the body section. Okay, I'm just now selecting the header area. In this tutorial for I'm just writing the header area code, HTML code. Okay, that's for, if you look at that header area, there is the section has logo and button. You can call not a button, it's just a text. Also another text that is called header or h1 text you can call it. Also there is showing a button, and there is the header section has a one background. That is the thing will be convert in the HTML CSS code. For purpose I'm just using header section. I'm just typing control/, that is the comment of HTML. Okay, I'm just using shortcut for VS Code. If you want to like without shortcut, you just use first bracket, also exclamation mark sign, and also just type this one single line dash you can type, and there is already the my VS Code already defined other codes you can sign of the comment section. Okay, just you need to remind it, and this way to pass it to single fast packet and explanation sign, and also two single line of dash fast bracket with fast end of the bracket you need to write two dash single line, and in the between you have to write the your comment or text if you want to use. I am just using here header text, sorry, header area, and this text will not show the body section or browser, because it's just purpose of the coding for easily understand what is the area of the HTML. Okay, and it will show the browser code section. If you look at the, there is the showing the our comment. And okay, now I am take a section which is called, you can call header. Okay, this is the HTML5 tag, and this header area, this is the header. Here is the start of header section or header. Yeah, you can call header section, or you can write like that type section. I always said that almost every HTML tag has a closing tag or starting tag. This is the starting, and this is the slashed with slash pass bracket closing tag. Okay, you have to remember it. And you can write here id like header. You can write this kind of two way. You can write header area section. In the between, we will be in the header section, we will be use all the header area code. I have understand this. Okay, I think this is the very easy way to understand the HTML code. I am going to write for our logo img code. Okay, one more thing you need to know, if you click, we can click the logo area to come back to our home page. You can call this as a landing page. This is the home page, and if you click, it will be refresh the home page. Okay, I just want to clickable the logo. That's why I am just using a tag which is called anchor tag, and just write a in this tutorial. I am just not writing like a fast packet, and also tag names also, right, and fast bracket and also closing tag. I'll not this kind of way to write. I am just using as a shortcut, and I will tell you how to what is that, not showing, because of I will not this tutorial will be so long, because of if I want to explain easily or try to understanding explaining with briefly, so tutorial will be long. So that's why I'm really sorry. I am just trying to keep the tutorial short. Okay, this is the anchor tag you can call, and there is the link section you can put here. If you write like, okay, you can write here image or any kind of text. I'm just adding a text, and if you just like google.com, it will be, if you see there is a link show here. If you click here, this link will be go through the google.com. If you click here, sorry, it will be go through after slack section. Sorry, if you look at the URL, there is a after our slash this localhost, there is index.html our code area. Okay, files. And if you look at the left side in the here, you will be see the link, the after logo, sorry, localhost google/google.com. This is the page URL, not going through the google.com. In total, this is the link area. If you type here, it will be go through the page, like any kind of page, any kind of section will be go through. Also external link will be go through. I'll be show that in the future, no problem. For this, I'm the for tutorial provide, I'm not tell you the how to use that, or not tell you, because of the I will tell you in the future. I just want to keep it short. That's why I'm just typing here is hash. Okay, there is, this is a by default link. Okay, if you want to show the image of in the HTML code, that's what you need to write a image tag that is called img tag, and that is the image tag HTML tag. And this src just means source of the image, where to you this image will be located, and alt, this is the by default image. If you see, there is nothing show here because we didn't add it in the source file of the image. Okay, if you type here alt section, this is the alternate section. If you see the image name of the alternate, if this is the very easy to understand, this is the image, and also there is called the image and has, so we'll just use logo, and it will be readable to if you somehow forget to edit the URL, it will be show that there is has a logo, and any user see he will be know the, or she will be know the, this is the there is has a logo. That is the easy way to understand the alternative. And I'm just going through. Okay, if there is, I didn't export the logo area, so that's where I'm just exporting the logo. This is the full area. This is the round rock and yard. maintains also with the icon. This is the full logo, so I'm just exporting the logo, and I just need to write img slash logo, and if you look at there is already logo here because the logo already color is white. That's why there is not showing the logo. It will be show after change the background. Okay, I just, if I change the background like in the body, header, stripe, like background black, I hope you see the logo because we didn't style any kind of in the logo, so I hope you already see the logo. Okay, don't worry, there is already has a logo because we already set the logo. One is the thing we already set. Second thing, I'm just copy the text, and for this text we keep in mind this is the, if you see this is the like a description text, so short text, so like a font size is too much less, or yeah, less. That's why I'm just, for this I'm just adding the feed tag paragraph, and there is keeping the text, and if you see there is the showing the text. Okay, next we need to header. This is a big, too much big the text, so that's why we just copy the text, and for the text we need to write the heading tag. In the HTML tag heading, in the HTML heading tag there is 6 HTML heading tag. There is called h1, h2, h3, h1 to h6, like h1, h2, here is I already write the h1 tag, h2, h3. And if you look at the browser, there is first HTML tag is big, and second is little much less big from the first, from comparing first one, and it's from h1 to h6, it's going through big to less font size, like that. Okay, I understand short version of the text. For this I am just keeping the h1 tag. I hope you understand this, the h1 tag. In the HTML you have to one HTML h1 tag for SEO purpose. Okay, just remind it. And we need to one button, just help me, just copy the text and write the button tag, also write text, and if you see there is a help me button already show here. This is the thing of the HTML code, and this HTML you can call, okay, we forget the adding the background image. Okay, we'll be add with the CSS code. Okay, don't worry, this is the HTML code. For header section we'll be converting other things with the HTML CSS code. This is the tutorial of the first one of this series landing page, and I'll be next time discuss about or convert to this HTML code with CSS. Okay, we'll be design with CSS this header area. So thank you for watching the video, and if you didn't subscribe the channel, please subscribe, and if you enjoyed the video, please like the video. Thank you for watching the video.